Welcome to Raphael's Lewis dot structures, where we will be discussing the covalent molecule fluoromethane and the ammonium ion. So first off, we have the covalent molecule fluoromethane, which has 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen, and 1 fluorine. The 1 carbon gives us 4 valence electrons, the 3 hydrogen gives us 3 valence electrons, and the 1 fluorine gives us 7 valence electrons, which gives us 14 total valence electrons. Now we have the Lewis dot structure of fluoromethane. Carbon goes in the middle because it has a lower electronegativity than fluorine. Hydrogen atoms always go on the outside of Lewis dot structures. Valence electrons are added between the atoms to form chemical bonds, and the rest of fluorine's valence electrons go around it to form its octet. Next up, we have the ammonium ion, which is also known as NH4+. So the ammonium ion has 1 nitrogen atom, which gives us 5 valence electrons, 4 hydrogen atoms, which gives us 4 valence electrons, and it's positive, so we lose a valence electron. 5 plus 4 minus 1 equals 8 total valence electrons. Now we have the Lewis dot structure of the ammonium ion. Nitrogen has to be the central atom because the only other atoms in this ion are hydrogen atoms, which can only bond with one other atom. Now, since this is a positive ion, we lost a valence electron and went from 9 to 8. So we fill in the 8 valence electrons, making sure that the hydrogens stay with their role of duet and nitrogen stays with his role of octet. Now over here we see that nitrogen stays with his role of octet, meaning there's 8 valence electrons in its outer valence shell. And we also have to make sure that hydrogen stays with its role of duet, and we see this because hydrogen only has 2 valence electrons in its outer valence shell. Now lastly, we have to put a bracket and a superscript plus sign to signify that we went from 9 to 8 valence electrons. This is the final product of the Lewis dot structure of the ammonium ion. This has been an explanation on the Lewis dot structures of the ammonium ion and fluoromethane by Raphael and Navarro. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.